Hello and welcome, and this is trying to just figure this whole Fibonacci thing out because I've never seen this before. Well, I can't remember seeing this, and usually, it's not supposed to look like this. So usually it doesn't look like how it's not supposed to look like, or well, this line's way down here. Yeah, it resisted it, but I've seen this type of pattern lots, but never with this a key line being here. And one of the things I was thinking, well, there's other Fibonacci's, and well, that even makes it even worse when I go over them. But okay, so as the market is playing out right now, we have the move from point A high to low in just the 1 hour time frame rather, and then this price action, of course, resisting in this area. And now having this move, congesting it for well over a dozen periods or about that. And then the breakout here, a couple hours of back end, it's holding it very well. Okay, that's a great bullish sign. I like that, but shouldn't have we done this a little? I mean, this support level is majorly established at 11,294. Shouldn't have been established around 11,224. Well, let's first look at the Fibonacci from this high to this low. So we have a high in here at 13,961, 13,970. Okay, that's the high. So let's put that number in, as well as that low at around 98. What do we have in here? We have 97.76, 97.60. So I'll go with the 97.60 number. 12,182 in that area. Well, let's just look at this on the 5, because that was an interesting time frame as it was there. Okay, that's the wrong number. We're looking at the 11,000 area. 11,193. Okay, well, that might be a next up target, but 11,193, which is technically in the area of that, but it's actually lower. Obviously, it's down towards here. So that even makes it even, wow, more so it should have been towards that point, and even pierced below that a little bit when going down there. Okay, well, let's take a look at the Fibonacci from this high to this low. We got about 11,985 here. And we have this low in here at about 10,770. So the key number in here is 11,219. Majorly coinciding with the 224. I know it's like all whatever, but and that's why when I say, oh, it pierces extra usually, and that's one of the things where if it either hit it immediately, like right on it perfectly, that is, I should say, or if it would have pierced down towards in here, it would have been like, yeah, it's doing its thing, it's normal. I'm going to think nothing of it. But obviously, I'm thinking a lot more, close to the opposite of nothing of it. I mean, it's all whatever. I mean, and I'm liking the fact this resistance hitting this support. 11,505, that's where we are now. So we can see here that that part of the Fibonacci is resisting and supporting fine, which is telling me that this sell-off has got a good shot, especially if it breaks out above here, that this is a failed breakout on the very, very short-term time frame. Was this? I don't know why I did this video. It's just one of those. Man, it just looks weird to me. It really, really does. It technically came back to where it came from. That's all fine and dandy, and just playing the story about it. It fits the story. And to complete it, everything's still on this barely rising 18 on the daily. In betweening these two key fib lines. So where it leaves from here, I could say nobody knows, but that means I would have to know what everybody knows. And I don't know what everybody knows. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.